Warning, this is a pesting video. If you do not like this kind of content, go hug a tree. For everybody else, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on the channel. I'm supposed to be over here helping these guys build that nice big old horse barn, but instead I'm over here trying to get some footage for you guys. Try to get some doves. One of the guys wants to make some dove tacos, so I'll do my best. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.
He's on the ground. He's on the ground.
The ground where?
Oh, he's over there now.
Where?
Over here.
Where at?
He's running right there. He's running. You can't see him?
In the tree?
Yeah, in the tree. I don't see the light on anymore.
It's on.
That's almost, you almost shot the fucking barbecue pit.
Here, I'll shoot right in front of that tree. I told you it's louder than the fucking gun going off, man.
Remember when we used to be able to drive down here?
¡Órale, güey! $60 meters down. Pretty sure you heard the pop. Another one down. Aye. All right, well, looks like his buddy wants to hang out. All right, that's 3 in a row down. Alright guys, I'm going for the group. Trying to get them to line up just right. Damn it. You guys see all those doves? Fuck! Right underneath this fucking... You see that one over there, compa? The far tree. Far tree. You see it? Boom! de la muerte. You see him? Straight ahead, compa. Down. That's one, compa. Yep. .94.5 yards. Compa! 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 Alright. No, in the tree, compa. Oh, right over his fucking back. Die! Fucker.
I think I see one more.
Oh, there is. Oh, right there. That's perfect. That's perfect, compa. A lot of branches, but. Oh!
I like that fucking sound.
Oh!
I like that fucking sound.
I think there's another one too, compa.